That's too bad. That's pretty slick.
This is an inside view of what we got to see the geese coming in.
Ah, Kaden.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You guys know on the hunting shows the highest paid guy is the cameraman, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. And go get a picture of Maggie.
What you
She's on your end.
Connor? There's their little blind.
Those are little cackles. That's some little ones. Well, there's two dead little ones. Get him, Meg.
Was you looking for size?
Well, I was looking for something a little bigger up in the air.
Take them.
Okay. Better do it now.
Better do it now.
Watch out, boys. There we go.
Oh, God, nice shot, Kenny.
Holy.
Yeah, be my guess.
We better.
I can count them real quick.
Why don't you do that, Chris? And I want to know. And
So, Grandpa, how many geese did we get?
we had 24. A limit. 4 guys and Kaden.
Yep. It was really hard to film because the geese were just flying around so fast and there was grass in the way. So, until next time, have fun.